All right, here we are again at the beautiful Mexican Heritage Plaza, right here at a beautiful sunset. All kinds of events happen here in San Jose at the Mexican Heritage Plaza. And today I'm not here to talk about the events that happen here, but I'm going to talk about the events that happen in your life. My YouTube channel is called Silicon Valley Life Transitions because that's where I want to focus as a realtor. The number one transition that everyone faces is death. And we don't want to talk about, nobody wants to think about it, but it's something that everybody's going to have to go through and experience. So when we think about why not plan for that inevitable piece, again, I think a lot of it is people don't want to think about it in the first place. But if you can plan ahead and speak with some really great estate planning attorneys, do some research on your own, but also you need to find some really good estate planning attorneys that can put together a plan that's going to be able to keep that generational wealth that you've built for your family throughout the rest of the next generation at least. Then they have to do their planning, right? But you're setting a good example for that generational wealth to continue if that's your goal. We have one of my neighbors who recently had some serious health issues. He got one of my flyers that said I'm a probate and trust specialist in real estate. And he called me and said, hey, can you take a look at my trust for me? And I said, absolutely not. I have some great estate planning attorneys that you can speak with for a free consultation for about 30 minutes to 45 minutes to really find out, because the people that I work with want to find out what is your situation. They don't even know if they can help you before they listen to you and understand what you're looking at. At that point, you can turn to hire them or you can speak with another attorney. But this gentleman decided he was going to write his own plan. Now, it comes to find out he's still, dealing with his health issues. But in the end, he ended up speaking and having that consultation. And the conversation with the attorney, he found out that he had some serious gaps and deficits in his planning that he had personally done. And he ended up deciding for his family that it was gonna be best that he work with a professional to write up a proper estate plan. And he has 2 children, he has a house in San Jose. So these kind of things are it's pretty straightforward. So he's not gonna be paying the most out of pocket, but that investment is going to save his family thousands and thousands of dollars. So again, if you have any questions about your real estate, your transition into that next place, wherever you see it being, please give me a call. I have some really great estate planning attorneys. I've connected with a lot of different vendors through whether it's senior placement, whether it's just senior transition, moving, right sizing. Give me a call, 831-238-3236. Don't forget to subscribe and like.